what are the assets? So assets are always of two type, non-current assets and the current assets. How do we differentiate between the current assets and the non-current assets? Let us understand. So what are the current assets? Remember, they are known as current assets. Current का मतलब क्या है? Something which is flowing, right? Current means flowing. So current assets are those assets which are expected to get converted into cash within a period of 12 months from the date of the balance sheet. So those are your current assets. So inventory is a current assets. Receivable is a current assets. Why inventory is a current asset? Because you purchase the raw material not to hold it for infinity. You purchase the raw material to take it as quickly as possible to the shop floor, convert it into work in progress, and then convert it into finished goods, and then sell it in the market. And when you sell it in the market, you get cash against that sale that you make. And that is how what is happening is inventory is getting converted into cash. So that is your current assets. Current assets are the assets which get converted into cash within a period of 1 year. What are the non-current assets? Again, the definition of non-current assets is very simple. Non-current assets are those assets which are not current assets. Non-current asset is an asset which is not a current asset. So, for example, building, land, property, plant and equipment, computer, furniture, office equipment. Now, these are all your non-current assets. Now, please understand there is a very significant relation between the current assets and the non-current assets. Current assets are expected to get converted into cash within a period of 1 year. Non-current assets are used to convert the current assets into cash. So how will you convert the raw material into cash? You will convert the raw material into cash by using the building, plant and machinery and land. Because by using the land, building and plant and machinery, you convert the raw material into cash. And that is the relationship between the current assets and the non-current assets. Let us now understand few examples of all these one by one. But before I take the examples one by one, let me take also your questions in case if there is any.